In this video, we're going to dive into double angle identities. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial has something for everyone. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so meron tayong double angle identities na tatlo. Yung una is yung sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cosine theta. Second one is yung cosine 2 theta is equal to cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. Equal din yung cosine 2 theta sa 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. And equal din yung cosine theta sa 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. And yung pangatlo is yung tangent 2 theta, which is equal to 2 tangent theta divided by 1 minus tangent squared theta. Okay, so let's prove sine 2 theta equals 2 sine theta cosine theta. Okay, as you can see, this can be proved using the addition formula for sine, which is sine a plus b is just equal to sine a cosine b plus cosine a sine b. So therefore, we can express sine 2 theta as sine theta plus theta, because theta plus theta is 2 theta, right? Then applying this formula, so we have your A will be theta and your B is also theta. So by substitution, so we have sine theta cosine theta plus cosine theta sine theta. So as you can see, these two terms are similar, so we can combine them. Sine theta cosine theta plus cosine theta sine theta is the same as 2 sine theta cosine theta. So, na-prove natin na yung value ng sine 2 theta ay 2 sine theta cosine theta. How about this one? Cosine 2 theta equals cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta, 1 minus 2 sine squared theta, and 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. In this one, we are going to use the sum of cosine. So we have cosine a plus b. Our formula there is cosine a cosine b minus sine a sine b. Similar to the first example, we can express 2 theta as theta plus theta. So we have cosine theta plus theta. A is equal to theta, B is equal to theta, so therefore we have cosine theta cosine theta minus sine theta sine theta. And cosine theta times cosine theta equals cosine squared theta. And sine theta minus sine times sine theta is sine squared theta. Okay, so as you can see, na-prove na natin na yung cosine 2 theta is equal to cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. Okay, we know that cosine squared theta is the same as 1 minus 2 sine squared theta, right? Using the Pythagorean identity. Okay, so diba, the Pythagorean identity is sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equal to 1. This is the same as cosine squared theta equals 1 minus sine squared theta. Therefore, we can replace cosine squared theta as 1 minus sine squared theta. Therefore, we can also say that cosine 2 theta is just equal to the value of cosine squared theta is 1 minus sine squared theta, then minus sine squared theta. Then 1 negative sine squared theta minus sine squared theta, that's negative 2 sine squared theta. Okay? So as you can see, cosine 2 theta is also equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. Okay. Also, cosine 2 theta is the same as what? The value of, from the Pythagorean identity, we can also solve the value of sine squared theta as 1 minus cosine squared theta. Therefore, the sine squared theta can be replaced by 1 minus cosine squared theta. So, we have cosine squared theta minus the value of sine squared theta is 1 minus cosine squared theta. Therefore, simplifying this, so we have cosine squared theta. Negative times 1 is negative 1. Negative times negative cosine squared is positive cosine squared theta. And cosine squared theta plus cosine squared theta, that is 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. So, na-prove din natin na yung cosine 2 theta is equal to 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. How about this one? Tangent 2 theta equals 2 tangent theta divided by 1 minus tangent squared theta. Okay, so this can be proved using the sum of the tangent of two angles. So tangent A plus B is just equal to tangent A plus tangent B divided by 1 minus tangent A tangent B. And also, tangent 2 theta can be expressed as tangent theta plus theta. Okay? And replacing A and B by theta, therefore we have tangent theta plus tangent theta divided by 1 minus tangent theta times tangent theta. So we have tangent theta plus tangent theta divided by 1 minus tangent theta times tangent theta is tangent squared theta. So we can add this pala, sorry. Tangent theta plus tangent theta is 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent squared theta. So as you can see, na-prove na natin na yung tangent 2 theta ay equal sa 2 tangent theta divided by 1 minus tangent squared theta. Okay? So i-apply natin yung mga double angle identities na yan sa mga problem na ito. Number 1, find the equivalent of the following: 2 sine 6 degrees, cosine 6 degrees. So makikita natin, this follows the formula from sine 2 theta, that sine 2 theta is just equal to 2 sine theta cosine theta. And therefore, based on the given, our theta here is 6 degrees. So, the equivalent of this one is sine 2 times 6 degrees, which is equal to sine 12 degrees. So, the equivalent of 2 sine 6 degrees cosine 6 degrees is sine 12 degrees. How about for 2 cosine squared, 4 degrees minus 1? So, this follows from the formula cosine 2 theta is just equal to 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. As you can see, theta is equal to 4 degrees. Therefore, this is the same as cosine 2 times your theta, which is 4 degrees, and that is cosine 2 times 4, 8 degrees. Okay, so ganun lang humanap ng equivalent ng trigonometric expression using the double angle identities. Okay, let's prove this one. Cosecant 2x equals secant x cosecant x divided by 2. We need to apply the double angle identity, so we have to manipulate the left hand side. Okay, manipulate left hand side, which is the cosecant 2x. We know that by reciprocal identity, cosecant 2x is the same as 1 divided by sine 2x, right? And by double angle identity, sine 2x is the same as 2 sine x cosine x. Okay, and then by decomposing this one, this can be expressed as 1 half times 1 over sine x times 1 over cosine x. Okay, and then we have 1 half 1 over sine x by the reciprocal identity is the same as cosecant x. Then 1 over cosine x is the same as secant x. Multiplying this, so we have secant x cosecant x divided by 2. So we arrive at the expression similar to the right side of the equation. Last one, how about sine 2x divided by 1 plus cosine 2x equals tangent x? So we're going to manipulate still the left hand side. Manipulate the left hand side. So sine 2x divided by 1 plus cosine 2x. Sine 2x by the double angle identity is the same as 2 sine x cosine x. And they have 1 plus the value of cosine 2x will be, since there are three choices, we can think of the best choice among the three. So we have to remove this one. Better to use the value for cosine 2x, which is 2 cosine squared x minus 1, because 1 minus 1, makakancel na si 1. Okay, so this becomes 2 sine x cosine x divided by, so 1 minus 1, 0. This becomes 2 cosine squared x. As you can see, pwede nating express yung cosine squared x para hindi tayo malito. Okay, 2 sine x cosine x, then 2 cosine squared x is the same as cosine x times cosine x. So makakancel si 2, makakancel si cosine x. Ang natira na lang is sine x divided by cosine x. And by quotient identity, we know that sine x over cosine x is tangent x. Okay? As you can see, we arrive at an expression similar to the right side of the equation. Okay, so ganyan lang mag-solve ng mga problems involving double angle identities.